Welcome to Calaveras Big Tree State Park, home to the biggest single-stem trees on this entire planet, the Giant Sequoia. If you join me on a virtual field trip adventure, we discovered the past and current threats to the life of these incredible trees. They can live for 3,000 years if they are not disturbed by environmental or human impacts. We are now in a California state park that protects these trees for future generations, but this forest wasn't always in a California state park. The Discovery Stump is an enormous giant sequoia whose 1,200-year-old life cycle ended in the 1850s when it was cut down. The pioneer cabin tree was a tourist attraction that had a tunnel carved in it so cars, horses, and humans could pass through. That tree's nearly 2,000-year life cycle ended when it fell over during the winter of 2017. Would it still be alive today if it didn't have a hole carved in it? The mother of the forest is another giant sequoia that was destroyed by the hands of humans. Named for its size and beauty, in 1854 it was stripped of its bark in big sections that were then shipped across the country to be reassembled for a museum exhibit. On our field trip, we discovered how important the bark is to the life of a giant sequoia. It's the protective outer layer of the tree. So this tree was further destroyed by fire, weather, insects, and animals once the protective outer bark was removed. Although the life cycle for these three trees has ended by the hands of humans, their legacy remains as they now stand as symbols of conservation and hope inside the protected area of Calaveras Big Tree State Park. For another thousands of years, these trees are going to break down and decompose, returning their nutrients back into the soil and providing habitat for many different animals.